and welcome to the Learn French Easily channel. In this video, we'll look at the pronouncing of the letters EU and OEU when they're next to each other in a word. In general, when letters EU or OEU come up together in a word, they make sound a, as in the word about. But for those who want to learn more, there are two variations of pronouncing this sound. So, if EU are at the end of a word, or if they are followed by a soundless letter, such as X, D, S, T, E, then they make sound U. So you adjust your mouth so that lips are rounded. Also, the muscles of the cheeks and lips are tense. The tip of the tongue is touching the front bottom teeth. U, U, pu, vieux, pu, vieux. If EU are followed by a sound letter, such as F in this case, then they make sound A. This time lips are more open and the cheeks and lips are more relaxed. Now let's practice a bit. Un adieu, un adieu, du, les fûts, les jus, les lieux, mieux, la queue, radieux, un acteur, le bonheur, en chaleur, un ascenseur, aveugle, le bœuf, neuf, le chauffeur. Now let's contrast these two pronouncings. Adieu, acteur, fut, bonheur, je, bœuf, cul, chaleur. So we've come to the end of this lesson. I hope it was useful. Till the next time, keep on practicing. Au revoir et à bientôt.